In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the DVD drive from your laptop. So I have here a DVD drive that you can see here. And if you want to remove it, it is pretty quite simple. Let me show you how to do it. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now to get started, you need to look for any screw that is attached at the center or towards the DVD drive. And as you can see, we have a screw here. The first thing is to unscrew this because usually the DVD drive is usually fastened by a screw. So I'll go ahead and unscrew it. And here I'm done. Then the next thing is to go ahead and pull out this DVD drive. So if I go and just using my fingers or my thumb and then lock my nail at the edge here and then try pull it out, it will just come out. And now here we go, it is out. As you can see, this is the part that was attached to the screw. And now we are done. If you want to go ahead and replace it, you can now go ahead and replace it with a new one. Should you want now to insert it back, just use the same process. Make sure that this part is facing up or just look inside to see how it fits in. So when you are inserting in, it should just easily slide in when you try to insert it. But should you find you are having a challenge, maybe inserting it, you have blockages, then it means you are inserting it from the wrong side. So to correct this, just go ahead and turn it around and then try inserting it. And now you see it slides in, and then make sure it slides up to the end. Then once you are done, it's time to go ahead and fasten with the screw. And here it is. And now go ahead and fasten it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.